Here I've got SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick Play Store. Slide right to open advanced functions and go to My Apps and Games. And here the first tab is Update, so you can update Gmail and Google now. So let me pick, for example, Google. If you click on Update, it will be done automatically. So at first your device will download the latest version of Google, and then it will be installed. And that's it. As you can see, now it's been updated, and now you can use the latest version of Google. You can obviously update all applications at once. Simply click on Update All, and then it will be automatically performed. So that would be all. This is how you can update applications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.